Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mechanical tool sets that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Cartman 205-piece ratchet wrench tool set. This set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and repair professionals alike, offering a comprehensive assortment of tools housed in a durable, blow-molded case. It includes ratchets, wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, and more, making it versatile for both household and automotive repairs. The tools are made from high-quality alloy steel with a polished chrome finish, providing corrosion resistance and durability. Whether you're tightening bolts or working on precision tasks, the Cartman set has you covered. In terms of design and build quality, the sturdy toolbox ensures everything stays organized and portable. The tools themselves feel solid and well-made, offering a good grip and ergonomic feel. While this set doesn't offer premium-level features like direct torque technology or 72-tooth ratchets, it performs reliably for most entry-level and mid-level tasks. The inclusion of a wide range of tools makes it a great all-in-one solution for beginners or occasional users. However, at $98.99, it falls short in comparison to higher-tier options in terms of advanced features and refined design. The tools may not withstand heavy-duty, prolonged use as well as premium sets. But for general repairs, quick fixes, and light automotive work, it's a fantastic value. If you're looking for affordability and versatility, the Cartman 205-piece set is worth considering. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Mechanics Socket Tool Set, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $68.99, this 201-piece set is perfect for those who need a reliable tool set without breaking the bank. It includes a variety of sockets, hex keys, screwdriver bits, and ratchets in both metric and SAE sizes, making it versatile for a wide range of tasks. Crafted from chrome vanadium steel, the tools are durable and resistant to corrosion, thanks to the polished chrome finish. The compact carrying case is another highlight, allowing for easy storage and portability. The tools are well organized within the case, and the lightweight design makes it convenient for on-the-go repairs. While it may not have the advanced features found in higher-end sets, such as direct torque technology or premium ratchet designs, it gets the basics right. It's great for light to moderate use, whether you're working on household projects, basic automotive repairs, or DIY tasks. That said, the Amazon Basics set does have its limitations. It lacks the refined feel of higher-tier tools, and the case may not hold up to heavy usage over time. Additionally, the tool selection might not be comprehensive enough for professional mechanics. But for casual users or those working with a tight budget, this set delivers excellent value and reliability for everyday tasks. Coming in at number 3 is the Craftsman 159-piece mechanics tool set, a solid mid-range option priced at $84.15. This set includes a full assortment of sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty bits, making it ideal for automotive enthusiasts and home mechanics. One standout feature is the 72-tooth ratchets, which provide a 5-degree arc swing for working in tight spaces. The tools are crafted from alloy steel with a polished chrome finish, ensuring corrosion resistance and long-term durability. The durable blow-molded case keeps everything organized and easy to transport, which is especially useful for those who need a portable solution. What sets this set apart is its balance between affordability and functionality. It includes most of the essential tools required for routine maintenance and repairs, offering excellent performance for the price. The lifetime warranty is a big plus, providing peace of mind for users who expect their tools to last. However, the 159-piece count may feel limiting compared to larger sets, and it doesn't include some specialty tools found in higher-end options. Professional mechanics might find it lacking for advanced tasks, but for DIYers and casual users, the Craftsman 159-piece set is a reliable and cost-effective choice. At number 2, we have the Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set. a premium option for serious mechanics and automotive enthusiasts. Priced at $149, this set offers an impressive 262 pieces, including sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty bits. The tools are housed in a durable 3-drawer VersaStack toolbox, which is not only well organized, but also compatible with other VersaStack systems for modular storage. The spring-loaded locking dial ensures the drawers stay secure, making it a convenient and secure storage solution. The tools themselves feature a low-profile ratchet design that's up to 25% thinner than previous models, allowing for better access in tight spaces. The 72-tooth ratchets deliver smooth operation and a 5-degree arc swing, perfect for precision work. The alloy steel construction and powder-coated finish offer excellent durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring the set lasts for years. This set is versatile enough for both professional mechanics and automotive hobbyists, providing a comprehensive selection of tools for nearly any task. The only downside is the higher price point, which may be out of reach for some users. Additionally, the large tool count might feel overwhelming for those who only need basic tools. But if you're looking for a premium quality, all-in-one solution with excellent storage options, the Craftsman 262-piece set is hard to beat. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeWalt Mechanic Tool Set, the ultimate choice for professionals and enthusiasts. Priced at $189.99, this 247-piece set is packed with features that make it stand out. It includes direct torque technology in the sockets to prevent rounding of fasteners and improve grip, while the 72-tooth ratchets provide a smooth, 5-degree arc swing for precision in tight spaces. The anti-slip driver handles ensure comfort during extended use, and the full-polish chrome finish offers superior corrosion resistance, even in tough environments. The durable case with metal latches is built to withstand rugged job sites, protecting your tools while keeping them organized. Hand-stamped markings make it easy to find the right tool at a glance, saving you time and frustration during projects. Whether you're working on automotive tasks, home repairs, or professional jobs, the DeWalt set delivers unparalleled performance and reliability. It's designed for heavy-duty use, making it a long-term investment for serious users. The price is on the higher side, but given the quality, features, and durability, it's worth every penny for demanding users. The only minor drawback is the weight, as the case and tools combined can be a bit bulky to transport. But if you're looking for the best of the best, the DeWalt Mechanic Tool Set is hands down the top choice in this category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.